So guys, in this video I'm gonna share you a very unique, very viral method again for those who didn't understand my last video, but I'm going to share you everything clear in this video with the all script, like with all prompt. First I want to share you my earning. Like if you don't believe, like I'm telling you, like please see my statistics, my viewer, my how much I gained like last 7 days, last 30 days. It's not actually not fake. You can see that's actually how it's work. And my traffic source I will share you, like YouTube and others also I already shared with you several times. So today I'm going to share you how you can get such traffic from YouTube with very easy way. So for this you need first two prompt and one script, which is called voiceover script and complete YouTube SEO package and $10 script. This is $10 script. You must need this. I updated it's with humanist touch. Like if you use this now, your account, your blog will more. Okay, so in video AI and trends, I will use these tools and you know how to use that. But if you don't know, don't worry, this video will clear everything for you. First let's check some statistic. Like I'm just refreshing, and I don't want to disclose my USA channel because you know why? It's not good, because sometimes you know you all know that YouTube algorithm is very important to make consistent view from traffic. That's why I don't want to disclose this channel. This is my YouTube US based channel. Okay, now I'm going to share you one thing, like how to start. First you need an Adsterra account. If you don't have, please just sign up from here. Second, you will create some smart link, clicking just add a smart link from here. Okay, so that's it. After that comes to Google Trends, and you know Google Trends very easy, trending now topic, and click on the location wherever you want to share your topic. You can share. I'm going to share United States. Okay, and click on last 7 days, not for 24 or 48 hours. It must be last 7 days. You must keep it. I hope you got my point. So click on last 7 days, and after that, as you can see that the trend is down, but which trend is going high day by day, I will use that topic. So as you can see, Labor Day is trending is very high. Labor Day meaning and everything is very fine, but today I'm going to share only one topic, like Labor Day meaning is gradually updating high. So that's why I'm going to take the Labor Day meaning. So first I will click on Labor Day meaning topic, like here. When you click that, you will see that the details of this keyword. So see, now you just copy this trends keyword. So copy this. Okay, very easy to copy. There is a button, copy that, and that's it. You don't have to do anything. Now go to the ChatGPT and paste the topic in there, I mean this keyword in there. That's it. So as you can see, I'm going to ChatGPT and click on Use Ad button, and after that I will paste the keyword in here. And after that you need this prompt, very much important, this prompt. Just copy this prompt from here. Okay, and paste in here. Okay, so you have two options, like you can give a link also, a blog post link, or you can give this topic. So just give this topic from here, paste it here. So your voiceover will be ready within a minute. Like see, this is now perfectly working. Now it's perfectly working. So now you can just post this blog in your blog site. You must do this. So just copy this. If you don't have a blog site, don't worry, this is very easy to make. And if you are very new in this video, today video, it's completely very easy method, so don't worry. So first go to in video, but because you need to make a video first, so click on in video, then sign up in here. Then you can see that text button also. See, this is completely free. I am using, I don't have pro subscription, I am using completely free. You can also, so I just paste that keyword from here and copy the voiceover from here. Okay, just click on this, generate my video. After 1 and 2 minutes your video will be pop-up shown, like how much time you need and what type of video you want to make. So see, this already making video. Okay, now click on the there is so many options. You just click on 1 minute and you can change the topic category, like how much you want to change it, and click on YouTube and generate button. That's it, your video is now ready. And after that you have some time to do another things, like I will now make a YouTube SEO and keyword. So to do that, copy these things. Okay, so copy these things from here and just place it in here and just click on this button. Okay, after that your SEO already ready now. Okay, I hope you got my point, like your everything is ready now. And see, this is a super SEO optimized keyword make with ChatGPT. So don't have to worry about the quality of this. Okay, now we are going to make a blog, which is very important. So just simply paste here, make a blog, and see, your blog will be ready within a minute. And as you can see that your blog is now ready. So you can now paste this blog in the blogger.com. If you have a blogger.com website, you just simply copy this is in HTML view, but you have to change it in compose view. After that, paste the blog text in here and give a title. You can now download an image from Google. Okay, so just go to google.com and search a like this, and that's it. Okay, now you can see that this image you can use. Okay, or you can use like this image. So just click and open a new tab and just click the image address and paste it in by URL. Okay, that's it. Just paste it in here. Insert image. Click on the button insert image. That's it. Now your image is so big, so you can minimize it like this. Okay, everything is ready, but I need to give here some code, like add code. So to make this add code, you must have a website monetization with Adsterra. If you don't have, don't worry, it's very simple to use. Just make a blog site and click on add website, then you can understand what is actually do. So after that you will get so many code like this. You need to generate those and copy this code from here, copy and paste in here, and paste it several times so that you can easily do this. After that if there is see $10 script, this is very important. Copy this script from here. Okay, and then go to the same blog, and in the very last button click on paste. After that you need to change the URL to URL. Okay, I have given there to URL. You just change it with your own direct link. I click on direct link in here and just copy the link from here, and if you don't have, you just simply add smart link by using this. Change it like here. That's it. So as you can see that everything is ready. Just you need to change to link and your work is done. Like you can now send traffic to your website and from YouTube. Let's just update and publish it, confirm it, and see This is now ready. Let's check it. Okay, so see, this is now completely fine. So let's check. See, this is moving already. I have using a simple method like humans move, that's why it's moving. And you can see that the link is changed automatically in a direct link. I didn't click on any link also. Now what you have to do is go to InVideo AI and download a video and upload in YouTube. That's it. Now you need to do that. So click on video site. Okay, so first of all, the everything is setup is ready. Prompt setup and script setup is completely ready. Now go to this section. Okay, your video will be ready within a minute, I hope so. So my video is ready now. After that, you guys feel hesitate when you cannot download it, because you have to know a setting like click on download. See, you must setting this. Don't worry about store copyright section. Okay, I'm not gonna monetize my channel, I'm just getting traffic from it. That's it. Forget about monetize option, just focus on the traffic. And affiliate is like a gold. If you understand the affiliate game, you understand everything. So that's it. Just now my video is already downloaded. Okay, so go to YouTube. I always suggest you guys, always you build a YouTube channel. Always, it is very important in this 2025. It's very important to have a YouTube channel. If you don't have, please make it today. So upload video and upload your AI video in here. That's it. So upload your AI video like in here, and okay, it's now uploading. Now you need to give title, description, which already I have made with ChatGPT. As you can see, I already made this with ChatGPT. So just go to ChatGPT and change the title with it. That's it. So go to ChatGPT, copy the title from here. See, I already make it ChatGPT. So copy this title from here, paste it in here, give a description like this from here, and just paste it in here, and then copy this and click on this section and click on text. Now you click on no, it's not. Okay, then publish. You must do this for 30 days. If you don't do this for 30 days, you will not see the result, because YouTube is like a consistency. It's not one day result. You have to wait for 30 days. And don't share. I will not interested to share my original USA channel, because there is some issue, as you all know. So just use this method, follow the method, and in comment section just paste your link in here. So click on comment section, paste your link in here, and then give a title in here. That's it. So your everything is ready now, and just click on comment. You can pin this comment. If your channel is verified, you can pin this. Okay, so that's it guys. You just follow this method and do every day this type of method. You will see the changes in your earning, as I shared also in the beginning of this video, like the statistics, the earning. So you can easily earn by using this method. And if you don't understand actually how to add setup in your website, I will share you a video in the comment section. By using those, by applying those method, you can easily understand the whole earning method, how to earn from Adsterra with just one video. Okay, so I hope it will help you a lot to earn from Adsterra. Thank you guys. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.